So we were discussing earlier, and you were telling me some things that you got for Christmas.
Yes.
And you told me maybe one thing that you were wishing you got for Christmas. What was that?
A radio.
Radio. What kind of radio?
Any kind.
Any kind.
It didn't matter.
Really?
Really.
Okay,
I just
so
wrote down radio.
if I got you like an old police radio where you couldn't hear anything, but it was still a radio, would that be cool?
That makes no sense.
All right. Well, I'll tell you what. Everybody on YouTube knows what I have for you. Okay? Everybody saw this months ago, and they've been waiting for Shortwave Girl to see this. So, I want you to hop off your chair. Okay? Because I want to show you what Grandpa did for you. And this was supposed to be a Christmas gift, but I didn't quite get around to it because we were pretty busy, right? And then your birthday and all that. So, got something here for you. Okay, I'm going to unveil it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. What do you think of that?
It's really cool.
What's that say?
Shortwave Girl.
Yeah, so guess what this is?
A radio.
Yeah, it's a shortwave receiver for Shortwave Girl. And what color is it?
Pink.
Right, naturally.
Pink and red.
Exactly. Naturally, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that kind of what you're hoping for?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So here's the deal. This is yours. I'm going to keep it here to protect it because you told me your little brother would destroy it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is a shortwave receiver just like all these other ones that I have, but this one doesn't have tubes. Okay, so this one won't like wear out or blow up or catch your house on fire. Right? But this is Emmy's first shortwave receiver. Is that cool?
Mm-hmm.
All right, buddy. So I'm going to show you how the controls work. All right. So you've played with this one before. So this is your volume. Okay. This is a RF gain. So there's a lot of Morse code on here right now. We're on band C. Okay.
So I could switch it.
You can
there.
switch the bands. It's kind of tough to switch. Okay. I can kind of help you with that. You want to try another band? Okay. You want B?
Yeah, B.
So if we go to B, now you're on this band up here. Okay. And let's see if I take this dial over here for you. Hold on a minute. If we go right there, see that little star? And then if you take this, you might hear some of your AM buddies. Okay, hold on. Look. Maybe, maybe not at this time of night. Right there. There you go. Hey. It's warm broadcast. So now you can fine tune this. And you can peek it with your antenna trim. So you can tune that around. There might be more stuff. This is the main tuning. So you can go down here. So this will tune quicker.
To the engineering side.
At least someone in the world has a pink receiver.
That's primarily
Not unless your grandpa painted it.
Me, I have a pink receiver. I'm someone in the world.
Okay.
I said no one else in the world besides you has a pink radio.
Why, when I get the
You just said
opportunity to
no
do this
in the world.
program with you.
All right, so Shortwave Girl finally has the Shortwave Girl receiver. Right there it is. It's what everybody's been waiting for, Emmy.
Bet you it is.
So you like it?
Yep.
All right, buddy.
I'm on CW. What is this? What's code?
Yeah.
Jeez, sounds like a bunch of Morse code together.
And this song, more than any that I can think of, probably shows the dark side.
Well, I'm cozy in my spot. I guess I'll just go fall asleep, take a little nap, and listen to the radio music.
All right, buddy. So you like listening to radio?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Best present ever.
Cool.
You were pretty much the only one I told I wanted a radio. No one else. Because I knew you were the only one who could provide it.
Yep. Well, you got a real classic now, buddy.